This Makita battery looks a little different, and that's not a good sign. You know, I've been using Makita batteries for a while now, so I'm pretty familiar with how they look and how they perform. But recently, I got this one, and right away, something fell off. At first glance, it looks fine. Same shape, same color, same hour design, but then I looked a little closer. The label is different. Not completely wrong, just not the same. And that's the kind of detail most people would probably ignore. Now, maybe it's nothing. Maybe it's just a different version or a newer batch. But I've seen enough batteries to know small differences can mean big problems. So instead of guessing, I decided to test it. Let's start with the basics. So I'm going to check the front page, and there, it looks normal. No red flags here. If you stopped right here, you'd probably think this battery is perfectly fine. But numbers don't always tell the full story. So I put it into a real tool or tester, capacity tester. Same setup, same conditions. At first, it was fine. It was probably no problem. But after a short time, for example, the fan is running slowly and it lasts for a short time. You can start to feel it. The power drops, not gradually, but fast, too fast. And under load, it really struggles. And then it just stops, way sooner than it should. So yeah, this isn't just a cosmetic difference. This is a performance problem. Way less power, way less runtime, not even close to what you expect from a Makita battery. And that's the scary part, because if you just look at it, it seems fine, close enough, convincing enough, but performance, completely different story. So what do you think? Would you have noticed this just by looking at the label? Or would you only find out after it's too late? Let me know in the comment. And if you want to avoid stuff like this, please subscribe for more real battery tests. And see you, bye bye.